Yo, what's up YouTube? Today I'm gonna be breaking down a couple X8 Octominers and building out a 12 by 30/70 rig in one of my Minerdudes and testing it out. I'm not gonna do a full length video, I'll do a time-lapse video just to make it a little bit shorter for you guys, but let's go ahead. I'll start disassembling and getting this Minerdude one assembled and then get that powered on. And I'll show you guys it in Hive OS mining. I'm gonna be putting it on Flux and turning my TEVGAI rig off. So let's get to it.
Yeah.
Alright, so the rig is up and running. I did have some issues with it, and I did have to swap to my other Minerdude rig, but the other one I'll have to troubleshoot. I couldn't get video out of it, or I'll have to get it replaced maybe, but it could be bad RAM or bad CPU that are in it, but I'll do some troubleshooting a different time and try and get that one back up and running. But for now, I do have the 12 GPU rig running inside the other Minerdude box, and you can see I still have the same settings as the Octominer. It's pretty much the same thing, even though it's a Minerdude branded case, as you can see down here. But I did put my Frankenstein SSD into it, so this is the Frankenstein rig now. And I did put the flight sheet on it that I was using with my TEVGAI rig. So I do have the extra arguments in for my overclocks, and that's how I'm getting the power draw and the hash rates that I'm getting here. Now I'm getting a total of 220 or 721 to 722 solutions a second at about 1390 watts in the miner. Now I'm watching this for my dev feed to make sure it stays around 2%, but let's check out what to mine and the hash rates I'm getting, what I'm spending on electric, and it looks like I'm losing $2.50 a day, but I'm gaining roughly 5.4 coins per day, and that's counting the extra like coins that you get for mining, and I can't even think of the name right now. The rewards for mining and from the parallel assets. That's what I'm thinking of. So I'm going to keep this rig on, keep this one going. I did shut down my TEVGAI rig. As you can see down here, it is off now. I plan on keeping that rig off. This one is just much more efficient, as you can see with the efficiency on this side. It's using 100 more watts at the wall according to the software here, but I'm also gaining 200 solutions a second almost. So I'm going to leave this one on for now, keep mining with this and leave it along with my iPolos. But thanks for checking this video out. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more.